ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel dissipate within, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in?
Yeah, go.
Crikey, mate! Look what we have here today. Some volcanic rock. We're trying to prove today that this actually is a volcano, you say? And today, this is our first piece of evidence. I am so excited, you say? This is a live volcanic rock. I'm pretty sure, crikey, that this has been shot out by the volcano. You see?
Lay. What's up?
Kane is in the building.
I need people.
Morning we dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come to the show. What's up? Alright, already.
Carlo, you made it. Go.
Crikey, see what we got here? We got some volcanic ash, you say? I think it must have been blown up here or something, but we got it everywhere, you say? Well, it's everywhere. Such a fascinating topic. There's more and more evidence that this is a volcano. You see this? This is all a volcano.
Go.
See, now this is proof that the volcano ash flew down here and created the lava flow. The lava flow was flowing down this way, and this is more. Please follow me inside the bush. Crikey, mate. Crikey. Oh my God. See, this is a volcanic rock. It happens when the lava flow cools down and creates itself and solidifies. You see this? It's turned hard and very sturdy, very hard to break. It's more proof that this lava flew down here. Crikey, mate. Crikey. Very interesting stuff. Done.
Record.
Okay, so what we have noticed is that right there was the magnificent volcano. It blew up and it ran down that side and came here. Some of these are just rocks that blew out. They call them volcanic bombs, you see? And to see this, well, let me pick up a rock. Here, you see this one? This was, I think this was one of the rocks that they had, because you can still see it. The rest of this is lava that is solidified over thousands of years. See, this is new. This is all new. It recently has happened. Wow, I don't know what to say.
Go.
This is one of the most fantastic, crikey, most amazing things about the volcano. This is a volcanic bomb. It's when the volcano blows up and parts of it fly across. This is solidified over a few years and has become this magnificent thing.
Cut.
I was thinking about
How did they get down?
Yung nga, nag-aalaga ng isda. Yung iba, nagtatanim din. Yung iba, nagkakabayo, nag-uos.
Ano magkakabayo dahil sa mga turista? So, mas malaki ang komunidad dahil sa volcano. Mas maganda ang titip para sa mga tanim dahil sa volcano. Salamat. Thank you.
Anong trabaho mo?
Yan, kakabayo lang. Pag may turista.
Saan ba na nakakain dito?
Dito sa bundok. Ito, maraming tao ang ano.
Okay. Betul, I'm
Bomba.
Ang epekto ng bulkan kapag yun ay lumayan, nag-aalisan dito ang mga tao.
You know what to
Yeah, I do. It's just I'm kind of afraid when cameras are there.
Bakit dito kayo?
Ganito ang recorder.
Okay. Oh my god, so fluent.
I love you. Like, do you get it?
Ate, ano?
Wait, sino on your group?
Kung mayroong eruption dito, anong ginagawa kayo? Kung mayroong eruption dito.
Just film it.
Sisili ka sa mga tao, matatakot sila. Pupuntahan sa malayo yung hindi
Parang mayroong evacuation site kayo?
Hindi, doon muna sa mga kamag-anak nagsisipunta.
At saka, oh my god, wait, how do I say this? How long have you been living here?
Dito. Kami bago lang dito.
Bago?
Yung nakatira sadya dito, matagal na sila dito.
Anong effects dito kung merong eruption at saka after ng eruption?
Ang epekto ay yun nga, nagsisilikas yung mga tao. Yung takot na takot sila.
At saka sa lupa ito, after the eruption, mas magaling o hindi masyado?
Ganun din. Wala pagbabago.
Salamat eh.